gentlemen,
Wait, dance.
presenting the one and only Venus Roar. And we will make this what we call a real on
friendship
Facebook.
battle.
By the way, I have my close friend of mine, Richie Thomas Daito,
AKA Mother Dragon.
also known as Mother Dragon. And I have these questions for her that she must eagerly answer this. And the question goes like this. What are the qualities that somehow the guy will fall in love with you? Answer! Hindi siya sasagot, ikaw ang sasagot.
You first muna, you first. A while ago, I told you because you're my friend.
Yes.
You know. Yes. You know it's why. You're calling with me. So why?
Okay. Okay. My question is, Tagalogin na lang ba natin? Paano nahihirapan ka?
No-split na kayo.
Okay. My question to you is, what are the qualities of Mother Dragon that for somebody, especially the guy, will fall in love with Mother Dragon? What characteristic do you have that guy will fall in love with you?
My dear friend, Dinosaur, what do you think?
Ikaw ang sumagot?
What do you think?
Ikaw nga.
Because I'm humble. I don't like
Daw siya.
answer your question.
Parang
Why?
okay,
Why do you think?
humble daw siya.
Why?
What else? What characteristic do you
Why?
Humble pagkain nyo na, yung tinutusok, scramble.
Okay,
May ano dahil? Ano sira? The friend.
okay. Sige na, humble daw siya. Yung sinabi mo kanina, she mentioned already, she ba o she mentioned already, she mentioned already that she is what we call a friendly, tama naman, di ba? Friendly. What
Ikaw
else?
yung friend ko, sabi ko.
What characteristic do you have as what we call Mother Dragon for such other guy will fall in love with you or will make fall in love with you? Definitely.
Because of my body.
Sagot! Pera naman.
Puro.
Pera. Si Venus. She has a lot of money. Marami siyang bank account. Pero hindi siya nagpapautang. Granted yan. Kasi tinry
Ikaw, Venusra, nagpapautang ka, Venusra?
Hindi rin kasi wala akong pera.
Ay, ganun.
Okay. Ganito guys, isa pa. What else? Okay, ganito yung pasok natin.
Okay.
Sabi nila, ang mga bakla, walang karapatang pumasok ng simbahan. Are you agree
Agree.
with that or no?
Agree!
Pwede siya.
Na lahat tayo ay
Pero tayo.
maliligtas.
Yes.
Okay.
Not tayo maligtas.
Sabi ko naman ganito, baklasan tayo
Accept dito,
pupunta.
accept dito. Ayan o, dito.
Huwag mo siya, hindi siya
Huwag
Huwag mo siya bigyan ng exposure. Hindi ko makapokus yung tao.
Sige na, gagalit ko.
Mag-focus ka na rin yung
Patay ka. Ikaw yung pag-iinitan ko.
Nagagalit si Venus.
Sige na, huwag ka na magalit. Tsura mo eh.
Sabi nila, mga bakla, sabi ko sa mga friend ko, mga bakla, friend, saan pupunta? Sabi naman ni Mamita, dyan lang. Ako sabi ko, Mamita, alam mo naman kapag lumabas si Venus Roar, ang dami na namang criticism dyan. That somehow that the Marites may simply says, ay nako, humayo kayo at maghasik ng lagim.
Masil-masil.
Sabi ko naman, Mare, humayo
Ito, toldar ka na nasa mo. Toldar ka na nasa mo.
Humayo tayo at maghasik or magpalaganap ng salita ng Diyos.
O, toldar ka na nasa to.
And the people says, and the two guys, sige po, dandan po. At ang dalawang bakla, si Hara, pati ako ay napahalakhak. At sila lang, something na tahimik. Ako lang,
Tapos.
oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Ganun ba tayo dito sa Pilipinas? Namang ang mga LGBT,
LBGT Ben.
LGBT. Laging gutom, basta tambay.
sabi ko ngayon,
Okay, cut.